Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
Today we want to show you something very important for the walks.
Before going to the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe this video because you really help us to keep growing the channel. We count on you and let's get to work right now.
Okay everybody, let's show you this. This is a walk where the leader is going to make the step outside and then he goes in front. Outside on my right side, in front, outside and front. If you see this from the other angle, he goes front, outside, outside, and we can change here. So we are doing this figure, this walk. You can use it for navigation. And if you notice, we are always in close embrace doing that.
So for the leaders is that when we are walking here, you will see it with the front top camera. Here, look, I'm entering very much in front of her, but at the same time, I'm disassociating. This is the most important step for us when we rotate. All that, like Miriam was saying, is in close embrace. 1, 2, I lift her just a tiny bit, scooping her up. That will interrupt her cross, her cruzada. Bam, we can rotate a lot or just a little, look, very little. Pam, 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 or a lot, look. Pam, pam, pam.
So I'm interrupting the cruzada because he's not walking on my right side. If the leader keep the walk on my right side, at the step number 4, I have to go to the cross. This is a basic rule. But if the leader is walking on my right side and then he's walking in front and then right side and front, that will interrupt the cruzada. So I don't have to insist to go to the cruzada because he's walking front, not all the time on my right side.
We have a course, Fundamentals in Fundamentals. We have a bundle, I believe, in our website, miriamleonardotango.com, where you have all the main technique, basic technique, especially if you're a beginner, to start up with the proper technique. Also, it's part of our online tango training, which is pre-recorded videos that you can sign up and watch it at your own pace.
So let's do it one more time and look for the details. We are in very close embrace. Let's do very slow. So we started with the side step. Now he's walking on the right side. We face each other. Now he's walking in front. His foot is very close to mine. And from here, we keep walking. So we go outside and front, outside and front. Let's go from the other angle so you can see this. Front and outside, front, and we can use this figure also to rotate if you need it. This is very beautiful for navigation and to keep the close embrace. When the music is slow, it looks better because you have time to extend your legs and to transfer body weight slowly to the next point. If it's a little more down, you can use the formilonga. But mostly try to practice to do it with slow song and very elegant and very nice close embrace.
If there is a most important figure in Argentine tango, is the walk, the caminada. If you know how to walk, embrace with your partner, you know how to tango.
Okay guys, see you on the next videos. Thanks so much.
Take care, bye.